Afternoon, ma'am. My project is ready. Project name is air conditioner. First we will open this up and put some ice from here. I have already put some. After closing the lid, we will on the slide switch. But before that, I will tell you what components I used. One DC motor, one slide switch and a battery. When I slide this slide switch to D, the motor inside starts rotating and give cool air from here. And the excess amount of water when ice starts melting goes out from here and here. When the ice is melted and the water is gone, we should off this slide switch and we can put more ice from here. Thank you.